Good afternoon, guys and respective teachers. My name is Mayank Salunke and I am studying in A.C. Patil College of Engineering, Navi Mumbai. Autonomous Gate Control System of Railway Track Crossing. The project is made by Mr. Mayank Salunke, Mr. Himanshu Agmare and Mr. Sahil Chelar under the guidance of Head of Department Mrs. Sanjivani Murari ma'am. The aim of the project is to build autonomous gate control system on railway track crossing. It builds the wireless automatic system under guidance of Indian Rail Control Room, which will help to guide people to cross railway crossing safely without causing any accidents. Automatic railway gate control system is simple and very useful project which help is automatically opening and closing the railway gate upon detecting arrival or departure of the train. Railway gates are open or closed manually by gatekeeper. The information about arrival of train for opening or closing of door is received from nearby station. But some railway crossings are totally unmanned and many railway accidents occur at this unmanned level crossing. See that the video and photos. To avoid the human intervention at level crossing completely, we need to automate the process of railway gate control. Main components of use for this system is first Arduino. The Arduino Uno board is a microcontroller based on the Atmega 328. It has 14 digital input-output pins in which 6 can be used as PWM outputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator, an IC SP header, a USB connection, 6 analog inputs and a power jack and reset button. This contains all the required support needed for microcontroller. Second component is solar panel. Solar panel is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. Our whole system works on solar panel. We can use the 9-volt rechargeable battery is connected to the solar panel and the battery is fully recharged. Then the battery supply is connected to Arduino and the Arduino works. Third component is servo motor. We use the servo motor on our system is 180 degree DC motor. When railway cross first IR sensor, then IR sensor send signal to Arduino and then Arduino send command to servo motor. And then servo motor operates on 0 to 90 degree, hence close, and when railway cross second IR sensor, the servo motor operates 90 degree to 0 degree, hence open. Fourth component is inverter circuit. In case of solar panel is not working due to rainy seasons or failure of solar panel, then we require additional supply system. Inverter is the best for our system. Inverter is connected to the Arduino and then whole circuit works. Fifth component is IR sensor. An IR sensor is used in this project to sense the arrival and departure of the train. An IR sensor generally comprises of two components. First is IR transmitter and IR receiver. An IR transmitter is device that emits IR rays. Similarly, an IR receiver is a device that detects the IR rays. Photodiodes are the most commonly used IR receivers. Sixth component is buzzer. When railway cross first IR sensor, the buzzer sound on and the gate is closed. When the railway cross away second IR sensor, the buzzer is sound off and the gates are open. The buzzer is for security purpose to know the gates are open or closed. If buzzer sound on, then gates are closed, and sound off, then gates are open. Seventh component is LED light. LED lights indicating a signal to vehicles. There are two colors LED we use. green and yellow. When railway cross first IR sensor, the red LED indicates to vehicle stop, and when railway cross second IR sensor, the green LED indicates to vehicle run. Last component is connector. There are two types of connectors used in our system, male and female. Some important features of Atmega 328. First, high performance and low power requirement. Second, 8-bit microcontroller Atmel AVR Advanced RISC architecture. Third, 131 instructions, most of which are executed in a single clock cycle. Fourth, up to 20 MIPS at 20 MHz. Fifth, 32 into 8 working registers. Sixth, cycle multiplier. In our system includes arithmetic logic unit and register. First, arithmetic logic unit. There are two types of ALU. We use WREG and instruction decoders. Second, register. There are two types of registers. We use bank select register BSR and file selector register FSRS. Bank select register has 4-bit register used in direct addressing the data memory. File select register has 16-bit registers used as memory pointers in direct addressing data memory. In our system, we can use two types of softwares. First is Arduino IDE to control the whole system, and second is Eagle for making the PCB board. This is the PCB board layout in our project made by Eagle Software. This is the schematic diagram of our system. Major components of our project are 8051 microcontroller, reflective type IR sensors and motors. The mandatory connections for 8051 MCU includes oscillator circuit, reset switch and EA pin. A crystal oscillator of up to 20 MHz can be used as a source of external clock. Next slide, I will show you output of project.